Yo guys, what's up? And we're going to be doing some Calvin Land videos. One of the Calvin Land videos. And we're going to be reviewing 2 Hot Wheels mystery cars, which you can see there's a whole series of collectibles that you can collect. And turns out the packages all come with slime. So this is the front of it. So it says they got some pullback cars. They got foot cars with keys. So they also have slime. Yeah. So let's start. Okay. So I'm gonna go get some scissors, guys. See you in a sec.
Mama, you out here? Hey, what do you put on the baby's legs when they're red? You know, where she gets the...
Okay, Matt, got some scissors. So, we're going to go ahead. Open them up.
The big round thing?
See what we got. Ooh, we got a key car. Wow. Oh, we got like a death, I don't know what it is. Some kind of gas car. And it comes with a light green key. So, oh. I think I found the slime, guys. It looks gross. Yeah. I don't know why they put them in this packaging, but let's just do the next one. Man, that looked gross. Oh, it's got a little tab. Did not see that there. Ooh, we got another key car. Ooh, we got a... Wow. That's pretty nice. It's got a yellow key. Let's see what color slime it has. Oh, it just comes with white slime again. So, I think we should go ahead and get some containers. So, for the slime, because I have no idea why they put slime in there in those packages. Because it's going to be very hard to get that stuff. As you can see, I got some slime for Valentine's Day. I'm going to see if... Oh, yes. I can use this. I know it's a little bit too big, but... You gotta try. Do you? Guys, can you say, let's try? Let's try. Okay. Okay, guys. See this. Very careful with this. Yeah. What is this stuff? Ew. Yeah. It's not good. Oh, it's like, ugh, it's so gross. Ugh. Let's put that in there. Why? Why do you have to do this to me? I have to pull out the slime now. Ugh, man, this stuff is so uncertain. It's so messy. Dude, I think I might play with this once in a while, but I'd rather play with that other slime I got for Valentine's Day. Stick to my hands. Duh. Okay. This is not going very well. Got this gross slime, and I'm trying to get out of here. The reason I'm doing this with my right hand, because my left hand can't be used for this stuff. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. I got this stuff on my fingers now. Oh, this is the first thing. Oh, this stuff is so gross. Look at that.
Devin, I'm gonna need that after you leave me.
Sorry, you might have heard something. Go. What are your beeswax? This is so gross. It's unsanitary. Unsanitizing. We'll be reviewing the cars in a second. Ugh. Now, I'm just going to say this year is 2020, and you do not know want to know what Hot Wheels is doing right now. This gross. Yeah, I know this is not the Hot Wheels does not make stuff like slime, so of course they're gonna make it really gross. I'm never gonna use this slime. I don't think I ever will. So, looks like we got this little thing right here.
Oh, they're little.
I know, they're key cars. Oh, you don't see Clip? You see a little baby. These things are... I wonder how they work. Oh, you put this little thing inside there.
What's with these flies in here?
I don't know. I don't know. It's gonna be fun in here. See how it does. Wow, that is awesome! I did not know Hot Wheels made key cars anyways. Oh. So gross.
Ew.
Look at it. I'm not going to use this. I don't know if I ever will.
Is it sticky or something?
It was just, the hard thing was trying to get it out of the bag.
It's basically silicone, I think.
I know, but I don't like
Real
it.
soft. Yeah, it's silicone.
It's just gross. I not like it. It was just, the hard thing, the real hard stuff was just taking it out of the little tiny plastic
What are you
bags.
supposed to do with it?
Why? Put this inside there. What's this?
Oh,
See? I wonder how it works like this. That was good. I'm just kidding. I didn't really eat it. I just went. Let's just go with that.
so do they
Anyways,
have names?
I got
Car?
these two cars. I don't think they do.
On the bottom. Sometimes it'll say.
Mattel Inc. 2016. Oh, made in 2016? Oh, these came out. I was like a little. I was like 3 years old. Look how these keys are. It's kind of like a guitar. Okay. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And goodbye.